You spot a single ant crawling across your garden path and think, it's just one ant, no big deal. But here's what that one ant is actually telling you. Underneath your feet, right now, there is an entire army, hundreds, maybe thousands, building a nest, laying eggs, and getting ready to take over your garden. And the worst part, they're not just eating your plants, they're actively protecting the pests that do. Stay with me, because in just a few minutes, I'm going to show you a simple 4-ingredient spray that sends ants running and never coming back. Here's why you need to act the moment you see even one ant in your garden. Ants are not just innocent little visitors. They actually farm aphids, tiny insects that destroy your plants. Ants carry aphids from plant to plant, protecting them from predators, just so the aphids produce a sweet liquid the ants feed on. Your garden pays the price. And the second you spot one ant above ground, there is already a nest being built below it. Eggs are already there. If you wait even a few days, you will have hundreds of these tiny invaders attacking your plants from every direction. Quick action is the difference between a thriving garden and a damaged one. Before I give you this recipe, and trust me, the ants are going to hate it, I want to ask you something in the comments below. Do you have ants in your garden right now? Just write yes or no. I read every single comment, and I'd love to know how common this problem really is. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. All right, here is this wonderful, incredibly simple mixture. You only need 4 things you probably already have at home. Pour 500 milliliters of water into a bowl or jug, then add 2 full tablespoons of baking soda and stir it in. Next, add 5 to 6 drops of essential oil. Mint, lavender, or lemongrass all work perfectly. Ants absolutely cannot stand the smell of these. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Stir slowly. Some foaming is completely normal, don't worry. Pour this mixture into a spray bottle and you're done. Now spray it directly where you've seen ants, around the roots of plants, along garden paths, in cracks in the ground, anywhere you notice ant trails or activity. After just 1 day, you will see the difference. The ants will scatter, they'll abandon their paths and disappear from the treated areas entirely. No harsh chemicals, no expensive products. Just 4 simple ingredients, and your garden stays safe. If this video helped you, please share it with a friend or neighbor who's dealing with ants in their garden. It takes 2 seconds and it genuinely helps our channel grow. Thank you so much for that. Don't forget to drop a yes or no in the comments. I'm curious to see how many of you are battling these little intruders right now. And stay tuned. More natural garden recipes are coming very soon. Until next time, take care of your garden, and I'll see you in the next video on Make This Trap Once and Never Deal with Mosquitoes Again.